Hello everybody, this is Phoenix Selector 123 and today is probably our biggest unboxing of Rubik's Cubes. So let's straight away get into it. Let's open this package first. There's also a box there. Okay, so let's see. Let me just see. Oh, looks like this is I think this is the name, the Francine Torsion. Oh, looks like there's another hole there, so ignore that. Okay, let's see. Let's start with the this cube. Can't see what it is. I think it's the it's the Dino Cube. Okay, let me show you the Dino Cube. The Dino Cube is probably one of the easiest cubes that I know. It's quite smooth, quite small. It's about the same size as 2x2, I think. Moves very well. You see? And I think I will give you a solve. It's not that long to solve. I've been longing to get one of these cubes, so let's scramble it. Okay, it's not that hard though. You can as long as you know how to solve pyramix, and probably a ready cube should help, then you're all set to solve this cube. Really, that's all you need to do. It's kind of like a ready cube, but it's more to a pyramix. Okay, let's get this piece in here. Okay, I'm accidentally wrong. Okay, wait. I'm a bit rusty. Don't blame me. Get this in here. Okay, there you go. And now, okay, I need to change this to a few pieces. Things should go here. Yeah, there you go. And it's solved. That's the Dino Cube. So it's out. Now let's move on to the Francine Torsion Cube, I believe the name. It's kind of like a 3x3 but twisted version. You see? It's kind of twisted. The shade of colors are quite light. Like the Dino Cubes are kind of like dark. If you want to see. Okay, let me get this open. Okay. Get all these cubes out of the way so you can get a clear view. Okay, wait. Plastic out. I think now I should be able to get the cube out, surely. Okay, yeah, it is basically 3x3. Let me see. So let me see. So I think this is the center. Is it? No. These are the centers. The centers are like half of each color. Like this is red, this is blue. So this is kind of the center. If you want to see, it's basically 3x3, but it's kind of like twisted as though you're like moving it like that. So you want to see the top parts are basically the same. So let me just try out a fish. Wait, skip in the video. Okay, so this is the fish, but if you want to see, it's a bit slightly different. So let's just do the fish. It's quite slow though, but it has a light shade of colors. Quite smooth, even though slightly sluggish and slow, you know. But it is a good puzzle because it can be slightly bit confusing there. Let me just scramble this yellow piece and see if I can solve it. Chances are no, but let me just test it a bit of this cube. Okay, I think it's relevantly just the same. Move it up here, like that. It's just it's kind of weird holding it because it's like twisted. So this is the rocket, I believe. Just move this here. And yeah, oh my god, it got twisted. Can we hack it? Okay, I think I might leave this puzzle until later. I will solve it. I think it might be similar to the windmill and the fisher cube, because the windmill and the fisher cube are kind of similar. So now moving on to the last cube in the package. And then moving on to the box. It's the axis cube. I've been waiting for this cube for quite a long time too. Let's get this out. Whoa, it fell out like that. So it's a bit sandy, but it's very smooth and very light and very, very fast. Let me see how it moves. Let me just test this out. Move it like that. Whoa, it's like I think it might be similar to a ghost cube, even though I don't have a ghost cube. Oh, all of the sides have the same pattern. You want to see? Here's the pattern. So it might be similar to a ghost cube, but I think it's kind of like 3x3 if I'm not mistaken. Let me just test this. Oh, it's very, very different. Very, very weird to hold it. Don't know how to hold it, though it's very smooth. I don't know how to corner cut this, so I don't think I'll talk about corner cutting. Well, let's move on to the box. Okay, the box, I need to just cut this in half. And then the box is open. And I believe, yes, both of the Cyclone Boys, 2x2 and the 3x3 cubes. Oh my god, that is real tight package. This out of the way. So let's. It's very light colors. I really like it. The shade of colors are kind of beautiful. Here's a manual. Cyclone Boys. Oops, it's ripped. Sorry. So here's the 2x2. It's kind of light. I like the shade of colors. This is the red is very dark and the orange is a bit pinkish. Let's test it out. Whoa, it's very, very speedy compared to our last 2x2. Whoa. So very, very fast, very smooth. I think the corner cutting must be quite good. Yeah, let's test it out. Yeah, the corner cutting is very, very good. Yeah, I think it's slightly a bit too far. A bit too. It's quite, yeah, a bit too loose. I need to tighten it up, but still it's very, very fast, and I think it is quite a good cube compared to our last 2x2. And I hope the 3x3 is probably like another version of the 2x2. which is very good. So let me see, the shade of colors are the same. You can see, and there's another manual for the 3x3. Same cycling bars, the logo. Whoa, it's a bit clacky, but it's very much more faster than our last cube. Whoa. Let me just test out the corner cutting. The corner cutting, it's a bit slightly worse than the 2x2, but it's still quite good. Yeah. Whoa, it's very fast. I can actually hear the spring. You hear this now. Let me just, if you speed, I think you might hear the springs a bit. If you don't hear it, but still, it is very fast, like his little brother, the 2x2. They're both very fast cubes, and I love them to be in our cube collection. So I think this might be all of the cubes, but the best of all of the cubes, I think it might be the 2x2. Without a hitch, this is probably the best cube. See the inside here, it's white. 3x3 is actually colored. Move to the side. Let's move on to the. Let's give you overall about the Axis cube. Axis cube, we will probably learn how to do it soon. I don't know if it can shapeshift, and in the last video I said the Fisher cube can shapeshift. Sorry guys, it actually cannot shapeshift. So sorry. I just want to give some suggestions. So, and this is the Torsion cube. I think I might able to fix this. We'll pause in the video until I manage to do it. Oh, so in the end I actually did finish the cube. It's kind of like a wheelbarrow cube. It's very similar. It's basically the same, just that it's the shape that's different. Like the Fisher cube and also the wheelbarrow cube, just the shape is different. So last, the dino cube. I think I might do one more last solve. Let me just show you. Just want to like speed cube this time. Let's test it. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm a bit rusty. I've heard of drawing the cube and learn how to do it. Okay, then the orange. Okay, orange finished, and whoops, yikes, still not finished. Okay, we just need to push this in, I think. Yeah, like that. Then this blue, need to push it in here. I think I'm very slow. Okay, so all I need to do is move this here, this here, this here, this here, yeah. Activate the cube. So that's all for this video. So, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you all later in the next video. Bye.